This video explains how to export and import global device comments in the Mitsubishi GXWorks2. Hello and welcome back. This is Godzilla from Godzilla Pest Control Systems. Well, does your program ever looks like this? This is how the program looks like. For example, when you upload it from a CPU, it doesn't have any comments in it, and you are pretty much in big trouble finding all your destinations and all your comments without displaying them. So one thing could be that in the view right here, your comment box is not checked. And even if it's checked, it still does not show any comments. So in this case, I uploaded my program from a CPU, and of course no comments are displayed. But fortunately, I do have a program from the customer with the original comments in it, which is this one right here. And here I can show you how you can export and import the device comments on your GXWorks2. So for this, you go to the global device comment. Once you got this open, you make a right click, and then you will see a item that says write to CSV file. So you push this. You don't need to change any settings on here. You just push yes, and you look for your folder where you want to save your comments. I just write it down, tutorial comments, and I will just put it in this folder right here and then say save. And on the other side, where you don't have any comments, you make the same procedure backwards. You go to the global device comments, make a right click, say read from CSV, go to this file right here that you just saved and open it. And then you will see all the comments. And now if you look at your program, you have all the comments displayed on here. And the nice thing is also you can open this with your Excel program, for instance, and then you will see all your comments right here. And the nice thing is, if you need to change or add any comment, you can do this right in here. Just change it and then save your file and import it just over on your comment box right here, and then you're all set. And this is how easy it is to export and import your comments in the Mitsubishi GXWorks2. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.